In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for journaling. Whether you're looking to start a daily habit, reflect on your thoughts, or simply keep track of your journey, using Notion can be a fantastic way to organize your thoughts with ease and creativity. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to create a new page in Notion. To do this, open Notion and in the sidebar, click on the plus sign next to the workspace where you want your journal to reside. This adds a fresh, blank page ready to be customized. Think of this as your digital canvas where all your journaling entries will live. Next, let's give your new page an appropriate title. Naming it Journal will help you remember its purpose and locate it easily in your list of pages. You can do this by clicking at the top of the page where it says Untitled and simply typing Journal. This gives you instant access to your personal journaling space. Once you've named your page, the next step is to set up a structure conducive to journaling, and that's where Notion's database functionalities come into play. In your new journal page, type in Table View to start the creation of a database. The table view is particularly useful for organizing your entries chronologically, by category, or whatever criteria suit your journaling needs. This will serve as the backbone of your journal, helping you to maintain order as you add more entries over time. For your database, you'll want to create properties that align with what you wish to journal about. Think about the information you want to capture with each entry. Common properties might include title, date, mood, and summary. These act like columns in a spreadsheet, giving each journal entry a structured yet flexible framework. This setup ensures that no matter how many entries you have, you'll always be able to find and reflect upon specific moments with ease. Another important tip is to add different views within your database for flexibility and tailored perspectives. Notion allows you to create multiple views like calendar, gallery, or timeline views. This feature is excellent for visualizing your journaling entries in diverse formats, accommodating various reflection methods. For example, a calendar view can give you a monthly overview of your journaling habits, showing which days you tend to write more or less. And there you have it, a digital journal on Notion that's both organized and personalized to your preferences. This method not only enhances your journaling experience, but also encourages consistency by making the process both efficient and enjoyable. With your journal now set up, you can easily record your thoughts, insights, and experiences in a way that's dynamic and accessible. So go ahead, start using Notion for your journaling today, and watch how it transforms the way you capture life's moments.